নমস্কার প্রিয় বন্ধুরা, today we'll discuss class 10 MCQ adaptation package English from Banglar Shikha portal. Please subscribe to our channel for latest updates. So what is the first question? For question numbers 1 and 2, choose the sentences that are grammatically correct. 1A. I didn't knew this would happen. I hadn't knows this would happen. I did knew this would happen. I did not know this would happen. So what is the correct here? The number D. I didn't know this would happen. Number 2. If you had called him, he would come. If you would called him, he would come. If you had called him, he would have come. And if you will be calling him, he will have come. So what is the correct one? The number A is correct one. If you had called him, he would come. A at the rate B. In the expression A and B are two boxes and at the rate is a ball, then at the rate is appropriately represented by the word. Look at these options: among, between, in and over. So what will be the correct one? Between. X to the power Q. In this expression, if the X is a man and Q is a street lamp, then Q is appropriately represented by the word on, over, above, out. So what will be the answer? Over. For question numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 19, 11, choose the correct alternative. After 6 months, you can also speak English dash me. Options are around, about, without and like. So what will be the answer? Like. All the winners dash prizes tomorrow. The options are will give, will be giving, will have given and will be given. What will be the correct answer? The answer will be given. Before you give answer, our teacher dash them to us. So what will be the correct one? From the options had sent, will send, was sending and sent, the correct one will be had sent. Cut this apple dash that knife. Options are with, by, into, in. So what will be the correct answer? With. Do you always go to school? Dash foot. So options are by, with, on, walking. So the correct answer will be by. Elders. Should have been respected, should be respected, should respect, should be respected. So what will be the correct answer? Should be respected. Number 11. Have generally use the plurals. The options are your, is, yours and are. So the correct answer will be is. For question number 12 and 13, choose the correct alternative to complete the correlations. Goose, gander, bee, and the correct answer will be drone. The number 13 is Lord, Lady, Ram, and the options are you, lobe, lumber, and rames. The correct answer will be you. Question number 14, 15, 16. Choose the correct narration change of the given sentence. He said to me, I am ready. The answer will be he told me that he was ready. Number 15. They said, we cannot live without oxygen. So what will be the correct answer? They said that they cannot live without oxygen. Rahul said to me, we are mortal. So what will be the correct answer? Rahul said to me that we are mortal. The question number 17 and 18, choose the correct voice change of the given sentences. Number 17. Sahil Sharma makes tea. So what will be the correct answer? Tea is made by Sahil Sharma. My friends are watching the match. So what will be the correct answer? The match is being watched by my friends. Question number 19, 20 and 21. The sentences are divided into 4 parts. Mark the part that has error. If the sentence has no error, mark D. So the first one, I did not know where they were giving, nor could I understand why had they left so soon. And no error will be the D. The answer will be no error. He walked 5 miles, which are really a great distance for a man like him who is not only old but also ill. So what will be the correct answer? The option A will the part A will be the correct answer because there is a mistake. Okay, there is a error. Now it can be easily said that the population of the city is greater than any other city in India. So the error part is C. For question numbers 22, 23, 24, choose the correct sequence of the following sentences. Number 22, P. Youngsters in the cities and the villages. Q. The effect R is of the cinema, and S. On the school and college going is sometimes unhealthy. So the correct answer will be QRSP. Number 23, P. Not indeed in the sense that education has been universal. Q. Our country has a land of learning. R. And the learned man has been held in higher esteem than the warrior of administrator, but in the S sense that education has been universal. The options are QRSP, RSPQ, QPSR, and the RQSP. The correct answer will be QPSR. P. O. Protect vegetables from cold. In view of prevailing weather conditions, farmers to smoke their fields during the night, and agriculture experts have advised. So what will be the correct answer? QSRP. Read the following test. Sheetal never failed to go to school. She loved to study and be with her friends. Neela and Kim were her two friends with whom she played. She was decently behaved. Which number represent the main verbs? Number 4. Which number represent adjectives? Number 1. Which number represent proper nouns? Number 3. Which number represent adverbs? Number 2. 29, 30 are based on writing skills. Shabnam used the word countryside at the end of her writing. What has he written? The answer will be notice. Pramod used many linkers in his writings. Most probably he has written a process. Reading the comprehension for question number 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, read the passage correctly. I think you can read this. Thereafter we'll start giving answering to these questions. So choose the correct alternative. Number 31. The students were of class 10. The interaction were held on Thursday. The students belong to Mahadevi Birla World Academy. The age of Debabrata Pal was, I think there is a mistake. The answer will be 21 years. 35. The most suitable to the passage is lessons on lightning for students. So that is the end. Hopefully all of you like it, and please subscribe to our channel.